Hello, I'm Alyssa, and I teach biology and chemistry. When students first come to me, I see my old self in them while I was struggling with school. And I guess when they find things a lot easier, I feel like it heals something in me in a way. Because I struggled so much when I was in school and I didn't really have anyone to help me. I just self-studied and I just went to like office hours and such. When I see students come to me, especially with the same subjects, for example, like biology or chemistry, and they feel a lot better after having a session with me, I enjoy seeing them feel less stressed. The best teacher I've ever had was my ID HL chemistry teacher from high school. And I still remember her till this day because, first off, I had no chemistry knowledge at all. Like, I had no chemistry background at all. But she would explain concepts so well in such a simple way to the point where I was caught up really fast. She stood out for me because of how easy she made the material feel, even though it was HL chemistry. And also, she was very approachable, meaning I was able to go up to her whenever I wanted and ask her questions without feeling like I was dumb or judged, which I think was a struggle for many students in school. Like a lot of the time, students feel scared to ask their teacher, especially if they're one of those like really strict, like kind of judgy teachers. I think they have a hard time doing that. But she was very approachable. I had no issues not feeling embarrassed asking her the same questions over and over again. So her approachability and her ability to explain difficult concepts in a very simple manner really stood out to me and put her above all of my other teachers that I've had in the past. I did have one moment that was like, aha. And it was basically when I stopped hyper focusing on stuff. Because I think with sciences, there's a lot of information, there's a lot of like definitions, like there's a lot of details that you're taught. I tried to stop understanding all the details. I just tried to understand generally, like what the topic was about, like general relationships in biology or biochem. And then it clicked for me then when I stopped like focusing on every single detail that I was taught.